So I'm doing an indoor shot using S-Log3. My shutter speed is at 1/50 because I'm shooting this at 24 frames per second. I am using the first native ISO, which is ISO 800. And then in terms of my multimeter mode, it's currently at plus 1.3. I have an aperture of 3.5, which is my max. And in terms of my bit depth, I am using 420 8-bit. Unfortunately, I can't do 422 10-bit because I don't have the paid version, which was also limited to 8-bit depth. And in terms of the overall color and everything else, S-Log3, I do have gamma assist as well. And so I'm going to go ahead and take it into Davinci Resolve, do some color correction and color grading there. And I also have an additional key light right here to add a little bit more to my overall exposure. And then in terms of my actual Kelvin settings, I actually have the 5400 Kelvin. And then my zebra levels, I have it at 41 IRE plus or minus 3. And then my lower limit, I actually have it at plus 94. So those are all my settings for this indoor shot using S-Log3.
For over 40 years, Adorama has been helping creators create. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, let the experts at Adorama help you create no matter what. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below.